Welcome, sixth graders, to Unit 10. This is our final unit of the year. Um, if you have any questions at all, be sure to email me. As you can see here, we have two learning targets, so not a whole lot. Um, let's go ahead and take a look. Today we're working on pages 1, 2, and 3. So right away we're just going to take a look at some basic conversions, all right? So 12 inches equals 1 foot. Yes, that's true. 3/8 equals 12/16 of an inch. All right, if we multiply by 4, we get 12. Multiply by 4, we get 32. So that's not true. That'd be false because 3/8 does not equal 12/16. 2 pints equals 1 gallon. That does not sound right. 4 quarts are in 1 gallon, and there's 2 pints for every quart, so that doesn't work. So that's false. Number 4, 7 days is the same as 168 hours. Well, 7 days. There's 24 hours in a day, correct? So 24 times 7 is 168. So that's true. There's 31 days in September. Well, I know that October has 31 days because that's Halloween. And every other month it changes. It goes from 31 to 30, 31 to 30, 31 to 30. And that's true all except for February, which either has 28 or 29 days. There are just a couple months where we actually have 31 back to back. So I know that September only has 30 days. All right. 1 day is 24 hours long. Yes, that's true. So what I want you to do, and you can fill this out, you can use your iPad, you can Google, you can use the internet, it doesn't matter. I want you to go through these and either decide whether these are true facts or if they are false. Again, you can Google all this information and be able to figure that out. All right, page 2. What we're going to have you do here is try to actually complete this stuff using some of the information above, and then also just again, if you get confused and you're not sure what the conversion is, feel free to Google this stuff. Look it up because that's what your mom and dad do. If they don't know what a conversion is, they'll just Google it. And so this is a good skill to have to go ahead and just know that you can look something up. All right, so 1 mile equals how many feet? Well, 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. All right, that's kind of a basic fact you'd have to kind of memorize. 5,280 feet. So then it says 3 miles is how many feet? Well, then you just multiply that by 3, right? So 5,280 times 3. That's going to be 15,840 feet. All right, so that's kind of how we're doing stuff like this. Again, if you're not sure what the conversion is, look it up. Look up. You can just do some basic conversions. You can just go to Google here and try to get out of my screen. All right, go to Google. Just do basic measurement conversions. All right, you can just Google that, and then boom, look at that. 1 cup is 8 ounces. 1 pint is 2 cups. 1 quart is 2 pints. 1 gallon is 4 quarts. Okay, that right there is going to help you. Quizlet. This is all on Quizlet. You can go there for some basic measurement conversion flashcards, and you can study that for a while. All those things would be good and obviously just fine. So this says 1 gallon equals how many cups? Okay, well, we got to kind of look at that. So 1 gallon, that equals 4 quarts. And in each quart, there's 2 pints. So we're going to do times 2. That'd be 8 pints. Okay, and then, if you wanted to, we could look back at that basic measurement system. It's not going to let me because I'm writing on the screen. But then in each pint, there's 2 cups. We're going to multiply by 2 again. All right, and that equals 16 cups. So that's your answer. How many cups are in a gallon? It's 16 cups are in a gallon. So again, don't be afraid to Google some information, get some help, and then look through how to convert these things back and forth. All right, so that's page 2. Page 3, page 3 just continues that same thing. So 2 yards equals how many feet? Well, hopefully you can figure out or look it up that there are 3 feet in a yard, right? So if you don't know that, we got to look it up and learn it. I'm not going to just give you a sheet to copy up. I either want you to know it or I want you to look it up. So we're going to do times 3 because every yard has 3 feet, and we get 6 total feet in 2 yards. So that's our answer there for number 15. Again, we just have a lot of measurements. We have a lot of conversions, and I want you using Google. I want you researching. I want you looking it up and doing your measurements there. So, anyways, if you have any questions with this, be sure to ask. Send me an email. Otherwise, good luck and have a great day.